Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the 2025 Yamaha MT-15. This new model builds on the success of its predecessors, known for delivering a thrilling riding experience with a lightweight frame and nimble handling. Under the hood, the MT-15 is powered by a 155cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces impressive power for its class. The variable valve actuation, or VVA, helps deliver a smooth ride with plenty of low-end torque, making it responsive in city rides and strong on open roads. This tech allows it to perform well across different RPMs, balancing power and fuel efficiency. The MT-15's design continues with Yamaha's hyper-naked styling, giving it a bold and aggressive look. You'll notice the LED projector headlight that gives the bike its distinctive, sharp front end and enhances night visibility. The muscular tank design, combined with a slim, agile frame, not only looks great but also contributes to a sporty riding position. In terms of handling, the MT-15 uses an upside-down fork in the front, which improves suspension stability and handling, especially during tight turns or quick maneuvers. The bike's lightweight and compact frame also mean it's easy to control, ideal for both city streets and winding roads. Yamaha has also equipped the MT-15 with a rear monoshock, giving it a balanced feel on various terrains. One notable update is its digital LCD instrument cluster, which now offers more data at a glance, including fuel efficiency and gear position. The bike also has Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair it with a smartphone for added features like call and message alerts. This modern touch makes it easier for riders to stay connected without sacrificing focus on the road. The MT-15's braking setup includes a disc brake on both the front and rear, with ABS making stopping safer and more controlled even in emergency situations. This ABS feature, particularly for newer riders, is a crucial safety addition that prevents wheel lockup and ensures stability on slippery surfaces. When it comes to ergonomics, the MT-15 is designed for comfort on long rides, with a slightly forward-leaning stance that keeps you engaged yet relaxed. The seat is comfortable for the rider and passable for a pillion, making it suitable for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. The MT-15's fuel economy is another highlight, achieving impressive mileage. Overall, the 2025 Yamaha MT-15 is a strong contender in the small displacement naked bike category. It combines power, tech, and comfort with a style that stands out. For riders looking for an agile, fuel-efficient, and stylish bike with Yamaha's reliability, the MT-15 is a top pick. Let me know in the comments if you're considering this bike or if you have questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.